Hi.
What's happening, guys? So we upgraded rigs. Here's our old one, and we're gonna show you our new one. Dun, 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 dun.
So pretty.
Look at his feathers just
Yep.
blowing in the wind. What in the world is that?
Oh my goodness, it's a...
Welcome back to the channel, everybody. If you're new here, my name's Andy.
And I'm Sarah. Hello.
And we are hitting Gate 1 in Queen Valley. Never been here before. Let's go check it out. Looks pretty wide open. It's pretty hot, so I don't think there's gonna be too much traffic. All right, so these gates are always chain closed. Wow, that's a windy mo jammy out today. Got the generator because we need the AC going. Sorry if it's super windy. All right, let's get that gate. Please close the gate. Rule number 1. Gotta keep these places as we find them. They'll be here for generations to come. Look at this. Man, it's windy. This is an awesome spot though. But I hope this wind dies down. Huh.
That's kind of cool.
Let's drive down a little farther and just
Okay.
see before we, but that's really cool.
That is
it kind of drops down over there.
very cool. Over like on the edge of a cliff.
Yeah. So we upgraded rigs. Here's our old one, and we're gonna show you our new one. Dun, 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 dun. Needs a little bit of love. Just kidding. Look at this thing.
Oh my goodness.
Holy crap.
Yikes.
I wonder when this happened.
Yeah, who knows? What a
Holy
mess.
cow.
It is a blustery one out. Yikes,
Man.
be careful of all the glass too. Look at that.
I wonder
What
how long. This
mess.
has been sitting here a while. The tires are so cracked. It couldn't have been very recent.
All
And
that
there's rust. Yeah, so it's been here a while.
garbage in there.
Good grief.
Huh.
So if anybody's up for a
Project.
project bus renovation, here you go. Holy cow. You never know what the hell you find out in the desert.
Right. Huh.
Look at that. Look at those wires in that tire. That's always kind of cool.
That is cool.
Wow. Yeah, I mean, this was definitely a camper of sorts because you can see a convection oven and
Oh,
almost looks
for
like
sure.
a safe.
Huh.
Harbor Freight bucket. Anything cool in here? A stool. All right, well, this is a little too much for us to undertake, I think.
Yes.
I don't know. I think we'll stick to our truck camper. All right, anyway, let's go find a spot. We just saw this as we were driving. I'm like, I got to check this thing out.
Yes, he is so pretty.
Look at his feathers just
Yep.
blowing in the wind.
He's a big one.
He's a big boy.
Uh-huh.
They're
Nice.
so cool.
Looks like we came to the end of the road.
Wow.
Yep. Wow.
Huh.
The road ends right here.
This was obviously a bridge at one point.
Yep.
Interesting. Oh yeah, the road's still right there. Huh.
Oh, see, our truck camper is
Yeah,
not getting through here.
I guess we're backing up.
Right.
The joys of not having a trailer. All right, everyone, we found our spot here, I think. We had to do a little turnaround over there. We're gonna check this little spot out. It looks kind of nice and nestled in, nobody around. So I don't know about you guys, but I always like to face my vehicle in the direction I'm leaving. Just because, I don't know, if you ever got to get out in a hurry, if it starts pouring rain or whatever it might be. Or maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm just a worrywart. But yeah, I always like pointing it in the direction I want to leave, just in case. So tweaking our spot here a little bit. We're facing out. That feels pretty good right about there. We might need a couple little levelers.
Yeah, do you think we're good with the wind?
I don't know. I mean, it's kind of, you know, it always changes. So I think at this point we just
go with it.
Go with it. Let's get campsite set up. Poop bucket, just in case. The beauty of a truck camper, pretty easy setup. So we're gonna get hunkered down. I thought I just saw a little lizard over there, maybe not. Get everything set up and then relax a little bit. Even though it's 100 degrees, we're gonna go for a little walk. We got the AC rocking and rolling in there, so it feels good. Let's go for a little walk and maybe we can find a lizard again. That was pretty sweet.
Woo!
What in the world is that?
Oh my goodness, it's a
Oh my,
like a cow
Lord.
skeleton or something.
That is definitely I'd say a calf. I don't know if that's big enough for a cow.
Yeah.
Yikers.
Holy.
Man, what a way to go. Eek.
Poor animals.
Yeah, man, I don't know how they do it out here in the desert.
Right.
Just hang a left.
Yeah, it looks like there's a ravine. Man, I tell you, my eyes are tearing up like crazy with that wind.
You don't have to cry about it.
Yeah, I should have on like sunglasses because then it could block the wind.
Let's go see what's like over this hump right here.
Okay. Ow! Ow! Oh my gosh. Ow!
What'd you do?
I have no idea. I must have like kicked it up and
Yeah, they stick on
Oh
your
my lord, how am I gonna get him out of there?
They stick on your shoe.
He's
And then they
stuck into my skin.
Yeah.
Ah!
Yeah, those little buggers. I had one stuck in me last time.
Holy frick.
They catch on your shoe and then you flick them up and it sticks in your calf.
Oh, dear God.
Dear God, have mercy.
Death by needles.
Look at that sky. Is that beautiful or what? There's the truck. We made it back.
Yeah, there was a lot of washes. I thought we were down that big one. We were actually 2 more over.
Well, that was pretty cool.
Yeah. Breeze definitely helps with
breeze
the heat.
makes a huge difference.
Totally.
All right, let's go enjoy some AC. Not a whole lot left.
Oh, well, hopefully it'll be enough for our Pudgy Pie maker.
Yeah. So, unfortunately out here, we can't have a fire. So, luckily we always bring charcoal with just in case we want to make something, or sometimes it's just easier to light to kind of get something going. Sandwich makers.
Our Pudgy Pies.
Yeah, so this one's brand new. So we're going to have to season it a little bit. So we're going to get our coals going, get it hot, and then just spray it with some cooking spray and just kind of get it seasoned. Yeah, and we'll see. We haven't made a sandwich or whatever you want to call it.
I like calling it Pudgy Pies.
Yeah,
there's
so you have a weird name for it.
There's all kinds of names for it.
So we haven't made anything on it in a long time.
Yeah, it's been over a year, I think, since we used our other one.
Yeah, more than that, I bet.
Maybe
almost
2.
I don't even remember. Yeah, because you made a breakfast sandwich.
And it oozed all over everywhere.
Yeah, because you put a raw egg in there.
I made a mess.
So yeah, anyway, we're going to get some charcoals going. Oh, that smells good.
Yes, it smells super good.
I mean, it's so windy out again that having a fire probably isn't a bad idea, even if there wasn't a fire ban.
Yeah.
So
it worked out great.
Yeah, so we'll get this going, and then you guys can join us while we burn our sandwiches. Hopefully not.
We are making some Pudgy Pies, and we got this this keto bread. It's a small loaf. We figured it would work good in the Pudgy Pies because it's kind of small. Like, look at this. It's like baby loaf. But it seems a little too small. So I'm going to try and roll out the bread and see if I can't make it a little bigger so that it fits in the Pudgy Pie maker better. Ugh. So I don't know. All right, so here's our Pudgy Pie maker. This is a new one, which is kind of small.
Oh, yikes.
Yikes, look at that. Well, couldn't we do 2? I can't get him to roll the long way. Andy's got more muscles. He does a better job.
You gotta want it.
I guess. I gotta want it.
Now, does it fit?
Let's see here.
Look at that.
Pretty dang close. We got a new gadget, toy, whatever you want to call it. Something for camping. We've seen a lot of other YouTubers have some outdoor lighting, you know, to really capture the nighttime cooking by the campfire. This one had really great reviews.
Yeah, really good reviews. It's solar. These flip out. You can adjust the lights up, down, all the way around. So
different light settings.
Yeah, different light settings.
Yeah, and
keep working on
this stand is incredible too, because it can reach crazy heights.
I don't know about crazy heights.
Well, good heights. And it's collapsible.
The legs even extend. Yeah.
Yeah. See, look at that. Holy smokes!
Yeah,
right?
So that's pretty slick. I can't remember the exact measurements.
It was something like 58 inches.
That's
maybe?
way more than that.
62.
I'm 6'3", so.
Oh, yeah.
So 6'3" would be 75 inches. So that's probably 78 inches.
Wow. Well,
So,
we'll
yeah.
have all the details and everything in the description. We'll even put in a link to this. It's even got a remote control. It comes with this carrying case, which is pretty slick. Ooh, police. Someone's under arrest.
Yeah, pretty cool. Okay, so those just shut off, so you can do double the lights, or.
Yeah.
And I like the warm lights.
The warm light.
I mean, unless you really need it bright. But
yeah,
I don't know how many times I'm going to use that.
It's got a magnet underneath. It also has a hook, and then it, you know, obviously can screw to the top of the stand. Did we say it was solar chargeable?
I think so. So yeah, you can charge it regularly, and then, or solar. There's the little solar panels on the top.
Yeah.
Which is freaking awesome, because we have so many solar lights that we use.
Yeah, is that really tall or what?
That's awesome. The other one was like here. I'm like, well, what
it was like, that one was 50 something.
And like, whatever. What good is that going to do when it's
right?
You know,
when we're standing and we need a little more light overhead.
Yeah, the cool thing with these, you can turn them.
There we go.
Turn the lights like so to get some light going towards our mugs when we're out cooking or whatever we're doing. Showering. We're going to shower outside today.
We are. We're going to shower outside.
And I'm not even going to turn on the water heater.
No.
What's the point?
A cold, brisk shower will cool us down.
I don't know if it'll be cold.
Nighttime. Yeah, it probably won't be. It'll be like lukewarm.
But anyways, let's show them what we're doing here.
Woo, look at that.
We are going to get our Pudgy Pies going. Let's get this out of the way. Or whatever you want to call it, sandwich makers. So Sarah's got all the bread rolled out.
I do.
Got all of our fixins. We got some lunch meat. We're basically going to make a Cuban.
Yes. A Cuban?
Oh, we need pickles.
Oh, yes. I forgot the pickles. Gotta have pickles. Oh, my goodness. Yes, I forgot the pickles. Can't forget the pickles. Sorry for the noise. Our AC is running like crazy. Let's see here. Where are the pickles? There we go. Gotta have pickles for our Cuban. All right, I've got the pickles. We mustn't forget them with our Cuban, right?
All right, well. You dish up. Start making yours.
Okay.
Or just make two of them, because we're having the same sandwiches.
Yeah, do you think these are still too hot?
Touch them. I don't know. I seasoned them for a while on the...
Yeah, it's a little sticky at the bottom. And I'm wondering, will this tabletop be okay?
I would think so.
This is pretty sliced, thin sliced ham.
Yeah, do two maybe.
I'm going to do 2 of each.
Oh, that is 2?
Yeah, that's 2.
Wow, okay.
And this stuff looks pretty thinly sliced too. So we're doing chicken breast, and Black Forest ham.
Yeah. Yeah.
And where do you want your pickle in this whole thing? Do you want it kind of like...
That's kind of a personal question.
Do you want it in the middle?
That isn't for YouTube.
No. Yeah, that's why it's not for children.
The only thing that's going to have a potential of oozing out is some cheese. I'm not worried about that.
Right.
If it was pie filling, yeah, that might be a different story. I
almost wonder if you should have put a slice of cheese on the top too, maybe.
No.
No?
That's when it's going to start oozing.
All right, well.
Remember your egg fiasco that I watched you and laughed for 10 minutes?
Yeah.
You thought you could put 2 eggs inside there?
I had a fiasco. It was oozing.
I have no idea how long to keep it on there.
I'm thinking it's probably a couple minutes each side.
Well, set a timer.
I will need to grab my phone.
Run! Get it!
Oh man, I'm gonna put this inside.
Yeah, let's get a timer, and then we'll show you guys the burnt disaster when it's done.
The finished disaster.
I couldn't wait anymore. I need to eat.
Yeah, you're hungry. Look at that light. Isn't that awesome?
High five.
We got the Pudgy Pies on. Oh my goodness.
I can hear them sizzling.
I think I just love saying that word, Pudgy Pie. What do you think?
Sure.
Pudgy Pie. It reminds me of my childhood days. That's all.
Can you guys hear it sizzling?
Probably.
Let's check these bad boys. The good thing with these is it isn't like it's something ooey gooey that's gonna ooze out.
Right. We could totally have a bigger table, you know that?
Yeah.
But this is like totally not like us. We do not do this much cooking, camping.
We're gonna start doing more of it though.
Right.
Look at that. Cut off that icky crust.
This is quite fun. I like crust.
Not the burnt stuff, you don't?
Why not? That's yummy.
Yeah, whatever.
Like a burnt marshmallow.
Ooh.
Is it good?
Look at that, guys. Look at that. Ooh, perfect.
Ooh, eat your heart out.
There.
Should I cut it open and see?
Oh. Yeah, hopefully it flops out of there good.
Look at that.
Need your fork.
Little.
Or knife. Look at that.
Wow.
Oh, not that good.
Look at this. Yum. You know, I almost think
Where'd that knife go?
I think it could have 2 pieces of cheese. What do you think? Look at that.
You haven't even bitten it yet.
Is this one mine?
Yeah. Remember, I got loaded mine up with some meat.
Mmm.
That little hook always gets me. Oh, mine.
It juiced out on my finger. Yours isn't done yet?
Well, this one's so big.
So it
didn't crimp it together. But it's coming out.
Oh.
It might need a little more tame. Keep pinching my finger.
There's like bugs. They like the light. You want to take a bite? It's juicing out the one end. Pretty good, but don't you think it could use one more piece of cheese? I'm thinking.
Probably, but we got mayo and mustard too. That's supposed to go. Put a little on the side. Give it a little dip.
Oh yeah. Little mustard.
That bread isn't too bad actually for a keto bread.
Right. Not too shabby.
It's cheat night. I'm having a diet Fanta.
Yeah, that's not something we normally drink.
Oh.
Do you mix the mustard and the mayo?
You can do whatever you want. I'm
gonna do whatever I want.
Because what I say, she won't do anyway.
I'm my own woman.
Yeah, and we're gonna have to get she's gonna do a s'more in there, and I diced up some apples and did like cinnamon, a little bit of brown sugar and a little bit of maple syrup and chia seeds just to thicken it up.
You gotta
And
have
that's what I'm having.
the mustard mayo just totally finishes it off. Right?
Oh yeah, that's what's in a Cuban. Well,
Ooh.
mustard.
Nom, 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 nom. Man, this makes me want to make another. Happy food dance. Woo!
We gotta grab our vitamins too before we forget.
We're gonna see if my marshmallow pudgy pie is good. Woo!
Huh.
Oh yeah.
How many marshmallows you put in there?
4.
4?
4. They said to
Holy
overload with
crap.
marshmallows because they like disintegrate or something like that. So I'm gonna set that down right there for right now.
You'd have to be on the
What?
You'd have to be on the fire a long time for marshmallows to disintegrate.
Well, it's definitely a gooey mess. Ooh boy. It's gonna be, look at this. Oh boy. Right? Woo, marshmallow goodness. I've got a Ghirardelli dark chocolate sea salt caramel in the middle. I can't quite cut this without making a mess. There we go. So that's in the middle.
Man.
Ooh, that's gonna be yum yum.
I want a bite. I just want one bite.
It's a mess.
I can't see because the light's in my eyes.
Woo!
Oh my god.
It's so good. Right? It's so fluffy.
Oh my god, I feel like I have marshmallow all over my beard.
Oh, I think that's better than a s'more.
I don't know about that.
Oh, I think so. I think it's damn good. Yum.
I decided to do, because I didn't want all those marshmallows. Here's my little apple with chia seeds. I decided not to do a pudgy pie. I'm just going to throw it right on the grill.
Yummy. Apple chia seed. Whatever.
I don't want to burn my hands.
Is your...
Look at that. It's all bubbling.
Ooh.
Yeah.
That looks so...
I know the chia seeds don't look the best, guys, but they don't have any flavor. I just put them in there to absorb. There was so much juice from the apple, and I didn't want to lose it all.
Yeah, you can really smell it. The cinnamon. Yeah, don't burn your tongue. Really?
It's like an apple pie without all the bad stuff.
Ooh. Wow. That is awesome.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Totally like an apple pie.
Yeah.
Nummy. You nailed it, baby.
Well, it's not very hard to do.
Yeah, you just mixed that up last night.
Nope.
And we brought it.
I'm trying to stay not keto, but very low carb. During the week, I'm very low carb. So even having like apple like this, my body's just like, ooh. So this is a cheat.
Yes. Well, we had to charge our other phone because it died. And we are just going to finish enjoying our lovely desserts. I think I might roast a marshmallow or 2.
4 wasn't enough.
Yep, 4 wasn't enough. And check out that light. It's really lighting things up out here. We're going to enjoy a little bit of sunset.
Yeah, let me show them. So it looks bright. Yeah, look at how dark it is out there. We spin around. Look at that. It's like a little movie set.
It is. It's so super cool.
And action. We're going to be roasting marshmallows. In this scene, Sarah's gonna eat her 5th marshmallow. All right, guys, it's getting goofy here. We're gonna finish up. We got some, oh, we never started the UFC fights.
Oh, well, hey, that's going to be our entertainment for the night.
I guess we won't have to watch a movie. Free UFC fights tonight, so.
Yep.
Alright guys, well, thanks for watching. That is a wrap today. We had a great night. It was a little windy, but
awesome food. The Pudgy Pies turned out great.
Yeah, they did.
Hope you maybe got some inspiration there to go camping and whip out the old Pudgy Pie makers. It sure was good. Delicious.
So, hopefully we'll see you on the next one. God bless America.